Hey guys, so today I'm joined by my friends and we will be doing gymnastics fails on the trampoline. So yeah, let's get started. Woo! Go. I'll tell you when to stop. No, wait. Ready? There, go.
Go. 1. Good.
Oh.
3.
Wait, I have to do it from this angle. It's fine.
It's going. Good enough. Go.
Watch out for the
It sounded like you farted. Go. We're waiting. Go.
Oh, he's hurt. Let you know. Do ya?
Go.
Oh my God!
Are you okay, Isabel?
All right, front walk over. Oh!
No. Go. You okay?
Yeah. Okay, do a backflip.
Oh, okay, fine. Now I'll do back.
Just so you know, we can do these moves. We just failed them.
Yeah, on purpose.
Today, yeah. So, thanks for watching. Bye.